Good afternoon, everybody. Francesco here from Stella Shipping. I am in Antigua for the Antigua Yacht Show, Antigua Charter Yacht Meeting. This is the real name. I just did the registration. Today was the first day. The show starts today, but today just for the registration, and the boat will be can be visited starting from tomorrow. And the show finishes on Friday. I arrived 1 week ago, exactly 1 week ago, last Sunday. I will stay here for all the show till Saturday. I already did most of the yacht. I delivered our guide, the yacht itineraries, already did networking, etc. Anyway, now we will see some video of the preparation of the show, some video that I did during these days. And the program is for tonight an event. We start with the first event. As you know, this is the event, the show for the parties, etc. Here there are not stands, so it's only boats. It's not as the other show that we usually have, Monaco, Cannes, Palma, where you have the stands. Here there are only yachts. So we will see what's going on. Hopefully we will do a video per day to update you about this event, and that's it. Enjoy.